Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take half kg of mutton. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, poppy seeds and fennel seeds. I'm now going to mix this and leave this for marination for at least 1 hour. It's been 1 hour now. In a pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. After adding the ghee, I'm now going to add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamoms, 3 cloves. I'm then going to add the mutton which we had marinated from earlier on. After adding the mutton, I'm now going to cook this well for about 4 minutes on medium flame. While the mutton marinates, I'm going to take a cup of curd and add half a teaspoon of red chili powder to it, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and I'm also going to add a pinch of asafoetida powder here. I'm now going to mix this well and keep it aside. After keeping the curd aside, after 4 minutes, you would have noticed that the mutton has been cooking really well with the ghee and the rest of the spices. I'm then going to add the mixture of the curd and the spices to this. I'm then going to mix that really well with the mutton. While mixing it, you would have noticed that the mutton has got a great color to it, and you can smell all the freshly ground spices in it. After mixing it well, I'm now going to add 1 glass of water to it. After adding the water, I'm then going to add the salt as per taste to it. After adding the salt, I'm then going to stir this really well. And after stirring really well, I'm then going to let this cook on low flame for a period of 20 minutes. While cooking it on low flame, it is important for you to cover it with a lid and ensure that you mix it from time to time. After 20 minutes, I'm then going to remove the lid and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder to it. After adding the garam masala powder, I'm then once again going to cover it with the lid and cook it on medium flame for a period of 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can then check if the mutton is tender. If not, you can continue to cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. If the mutton is nice and tender, you can then add coriander leaves to garnish it. You can then switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.